How to delete Facebook page permanently. Hello everyone, in this quick tutorial I am showing that how to delete Facebook page permanently. First of all, click on the profile icon. Now choose your page you want to delete, and now go to your page profile and click on the setting button. In the setting, click on a page settings. Now scroll down and click on access and control. Now you can see deactivation and deletion option. Click on it. You want to delete or deactivate, select your preference. I want to delete my page. Click on continue. Now choose any reason and click on continue. Scroll down and continue and enter your password and click on continue. After the entering password, you can see confirmation. Click on continue and delete the page. That's it. Follow for more such helpful videos.